at Serverinaja.com. Making payments is simple, secure, and flexible. Here's how you can easily complete your order using our payment gateway. First, make sure your account is verified by uploading your ID card and bank statement or passbook. This keeps your transactions safe and secure. Next, select your payment type. You can either pay the full amount right away or choose a down payment option, whichever works best for your project. Before moving forward, add your marketing email. This ensures we can keep you updated with important order and payment information. Now, continue with your payment. We accept payments via Midtrans, including bank transfer, e-wallet, and credit card. Prefer manual payment? Bank transfer and crypto wallet options are also available. Once your payment is confirmed, your order will be processed and shipped to your destination. You can track your delivery status directly from your account, and that's it. A quick and secure way to complete your payment with Serverinaja.com. Ready to explore more? Visit us today at Serverinaja.com. Have questions? Drop your questions in the comment section. Don't forget to click subscribe and turn on the notifications. Bye!